Welcome to the Professional Certification in UI/UX Design with GenAI. This comprehensive program, designed by industry leaders, will help you master the creation of delightful, accessible, and data-informed digital products. The course includes 7 industry-recognized certificates. This program is designed for beginners, developers, graphic designers, and career switchers. Key outcomes include a job-ready portfolio and 7 recognized certificates. The course duration is 5 to 6 months, with a flexible schedule, delivered through instructor-led online or offline sessions. The program structure offers 7 certificates from IBM, IIT Patna, and BIT. Modules cover Web Foundations, UI/UX Fundamentals, Advanced Figma Skills, Visual Principles, Generative AI for Design, HCI, and a Portfolio Accelerator. You'll finish with a comprehensive capstone project. Your 18-week journey focuses on technical skills, design theory, and practical application. It progresses from foundational work to research, wireframing, usability testing, Gen AI application, and culminates in a portfolio and capstone project to make you job-ready. Program features include 24/7 access to the IBM BIT LMS portal and expert instruction through live interactive sessions. You can choose flexible learning modes, 100% online or offline campus labs. Dedicated mentorship, professional tool access, and a vibrant community are also provided. Upon completion, you'll be qualified for high-demand roles like UI designer, UX designer, product designer, interaction designer, and UX researcher. These opportunities span high-growth industries such as fintech, e-commerce, health tech, and edtech. The UI/UX field is seeing a 25% year-over-year growth in demand. Annual compensation ranges from 4 to 8 LPA for entry-level roles, up to 35 plus LPA for leadership positions. Key competencies driving higher pay include Figma mastery and generative AI skills. This program facilitates career transitions with an average salary hike of 40 to 120%. You will shift your mindset from making it look good to solving user problems, and update your workflow to agile methodologies using industry-standard tools. These 7 verified credentials offer a powerful combination of enterprise credibility from IBM, academic excellence from IIT Patna, and applied mastery from BIT. This comprehensive certification leads to a higher callback rate and increased LinkedIn visibility. You will build a job-ready portfolio through 4 major capstone projects, including an e-commerce app redesign and fintech onboarding. These projects focus on real-world outcomes, such as conversion uplift and reduced verification time, utilizing skills like Gen AI and design systems. Our structured placement pathway starts at week 12 with placement orientation and includes profile readiness, mock interviews, and placement drives. We provide ongoing placement guarantee support with referrals until you land your first offer. The BIT, IIT Patna, and IBM program offers comprehensive value compared to typical online courses. You receive 7 recognized certificates, hybrid or live interactive learning, real-world capstones, one-to-one expert mentorship, and structured placement support. Our learners' success stories reflect a 4.8 out of 5 average rating and an 85% placement rate. Graduates highlight the value of hands-on critiques, mastering AI-driven workflows, and personalized portfolio reviews. Enroll now in the next cohort, which is filling fast. The 6-month program is open to all, requiring no prior design background. Financial aid, including merit scholarships and no-cost EMI options, is available. Design your future and apply now.